You know the little think of a boob. Yeah. We're at that time of year where you might be thinking, oh, I want to sell my home in the spring. And if I want to sell my home in the spring, that means I need to get ready today. And what do I need to get ready? Well, my name is Alex Hughes with the North Pacific Homes Group. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the best ways to add value for your home to get it ready for a sale. Now, there, of course, are a variety of different ways to do this. We'll only be touching on a few. But the first one we're going to be looking at, if you got the money for it and the time, we're going to be looking at doing some renovations. But where to focus on these renovations? And there are two main spots you want to look at: the kitchen and the bathroom. Now, when we're looking at the kitchen, be focusing on what do your cabinets and your countertops look like. Now, with the countertops, white quartz is all the craze. We're actually seeing a two-tone kitchen coming through, and that would be white cabinets with either a blue or a beige or possibly even a green lower cabinet base. Now, we want to be looking at kind of moving away from that classic white subway tile for the backsplash. A lot of new developers are springing for having the quartz running all the way up to the cabinets, as it makes it easier to clean, and getting away from the black or even the stainless steel fixtures, moving to more of a brushed brass. Now, next is going to be the bathroom. Now, depending on how many bathrooms you have, if you do have another bathtub in your home, we're starting to see the main bathroom having a walk-in shower. So lots of glass, making it bright in there. But also conversely, we're seeing that a lot of the tile coming through now is actually a darker color, more of like a forest green. And the floor is really nice design now. It's kind of a herringbone. So think of it almost like triangles going up. Now, if you don't have the time or the money to do a full-on renovation, there are a couple of quicker fixes that you can get done to help boost the value. Number one is going to be a new paint job. Depending on what type of paint you got, what color the paint it is, but buyers are liking more of a neutral tone. A soft white, a soft gray really helps bring the light into the property. Another thing you can look at is light fixtures. Now, pardon me for being crude, but get rid of those boob lights from the 1980s. Look at getting more of a chandelier in the kitchen, replacing some of the lights with possibly LED or pot lights, and just revamping the light fixtures in general. Now, if you're looking in the kitchen and you want to do a bit more of a quick fix, you can look at the knobs. The knobs will be a big change. Now, get away from those knob style and look more for handles. Now, another major one that gets often overlooked, that is all the craze for my millennial generation, is storage. Now, we want to look at ways on adding storage, whether that's putting closet organizers in, extra shelving in the closets, but I guarantee you buyers will go crazy over it. And I know I've said this in other videos, but curb appeal is also massive. So take a look at your property. Do you have any fauna that's dying? Replace that fauna with brighter ones. Keep the lawn trim, get rid of the weeds, clear out the gutters, replace the gutters and downspouts if you need to. All of this will massively help add value of your home, the best bang for your buck, get it ready to sell in spring. And that's everything I have for you folks. The last thing I want to say though actually is, there are thousands of ways to get your home ready for a sale. There's no one quick fix blueprint, get it done. So that's our job of a realtor, to come in, help out, use our experience and our expertise to walk through the home before you list, even months before you list, help you plan, get it ready for when it's ready in the spring. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Alex Hughes with the North Pacific Homes Group. If you did like this video, give us a like, subscribe to our channel. We're going to be trying to get out a lot more educational, informative content for you. And if you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much.